a baby. Did you get it from the?
No.
No? Okay. Well, we're having a baby. We are 15 weeks today that the video. Well, today is in the day the video is up.
Yeah.
We're 15 weeks. So now you guys know, and I think that explains why the vlogs have been real short and weird for the last little while. Because I was real sick. First trimester was harsh. But yeah, you guys know. So this is pretty much the vlog for today. But if you keep watching, you're going to see some of the reactions from some of our friends and family when we told them. So enjoy that, and something awesome is getting...
Plus one?
Yeah, a little bit awesomer. Bye, guys.
Alright, so there you go.
No way.
Alright, there you go. We kind of missed it because Grandma lifted her plate.
Way too early.
Way too early.
Freak me out.
Yeah, you get the Great Uncle Tim thing. So there you go. That's what you get.
Awesome.
There you go. Everyone. So now you understand why. Okay, that time that you handed Cheryl the glass of the alcohol for the last couple of months. Yeah. That's pretty much why.
How long are you?
I'll be 14 weeks tomorrow.
No way.
Yeah.
Sarah fan now? Sarah
Yeah. She was the only one who knew.
She's the only one who knows. Grandma, you weren't supposed to lift your plate till dessert.
What?
Pretty much.
I was moving it. I don't know. I have no clue. Why did you? Oh, I was moving my plate, and then I saw a leaf, and I was going to just pull it out. My head, when I read it, I'm thinking, oh. Well, that's what I thought. Well, we got some of the reaction, guys.
Wow.
Oh my God.
As much as we could.
I thought you screwed up. There's a grandpa over here. I don't have you over there. Cool.
Hello?
Hey, so, can you hear me okay?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
I'm walking through the rain right now. It's the stupid headphones. Okay, so, yeah, so news, right? Okay, I guess there's no other way to really end up saying this, but it's kind of, well, it's kind of a big deal. We're having a baby.
Oh my God! I'm so new. How am feeling?
Okay.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But also...
What? What?
Yeah.
That's amazing!
Yeah.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Wow!
So, dude, by the time you get back here...
We will have a 1.5-year-old walking around by the time you come back.
Wait, so when are you due?
April.
Shit.
Yeah.
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 Good morning. No, that's okay. It's too hot. Yeah.
Not even telling me not supposed to wear it.
Hey guys, just got home from work. Well, not just, but Chuck and I played Move for a little bit on the PlayStation.